Is your car acting strange and you can't figure out why? Maybe the check engine light is on, the engine stalls, or fuel economy suddenly drops. The problem might not be your engine or sensors, it could be your ECU, the brain of the vehicle. The ECU, or engine control unit, manages your fuel injection, ignition timing, air intake, and more. When it starts to fail, the symptoms can be confusing and expensive if you guess wrong. Let's go through the 7 most common symptoms of a bad or failing ECU. Symptom number 1, the check engine light. If the light comes on randomly and scans reveal no real issues, the ECU might be sending out false error codes. Sometimes the codes change every time you scan. That's a red flag. Symptom number 2, random misfires or stalling. If your engine cuts out at idle or feels jerky while driving, the ECU could be losing control of fuel or spark timing. Symptom number 3, poor fuel economy. You may notice more fuel being used than usual. That's often because the ECU is running a rich fuel mixture when it shouldn't, wasting gas and creating excess emissions. Symptom number 4, rough or unstable idle. The engine might vibrate, surge, or sound uneven. That's because the ECU may not be balancing air and fuel properly at idle speed. Symptom number 5, difficulty starting or no start at all. This is one of the most serious signs. The engine might crank but not fire, or it may start only sometimes. If the ignition and fuel systems are fine, the ECU could be the issue. Symptom number 6, throttle problems. If the car feels weak or responds slowly when you press the pedal, it might be getting the wrong input from the ECU. Modern cars use electronic throttle control, so bad ECU signals can limit power or cause lag. Symptom number 7, diagnostic tools can't connect. If your scanner fails to communicate or shows strange, inconsistent codes, the ECU itself may be corrupted or damaged. Before replacing anything, always start by checking the ECU's ground wires, connectors, and fuses. Loose connections or moisture can mimic ECU failure. Also, low battery voltage or a failing alternator can confuse the ECU. If your ECU is confirmed faulty, some can be reprogrammed or repaired, while others need to be replaced. Always consult a trusted mechanic or electronics specialist before spending on major repairs. Want more real-world repair advice? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch my other breakdowns to save money and fix your car the right way. Thanks for watching.